Let's make Mammal Meadows Christmas Eve steak. I have 1 cup of flour in this bag. I have 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt and 1 teaspoon of fresh ground black pepper. I'm melting some bacon grease. You can use any oil you want. I'm using bacon grease because Mama did. And I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper on these cube steaks. I'm gonna show you the recipe for like 4 to 6. We're gonna use 8 to 12. So here we go. I put my steaks in flour and I just kind of flatten them a little bit and make sure they're nicely covered. I'm just browning them on either side. I'm gonna have a total of 10 once I got into my packages. And I'm just gonna put them right in here when they've been browned on each side. Once you have your steaks nicely browned on each side, you're gonna put 1 family-sized can of cream of mushroom soup. You can use any brand you choose. You can use the store brand or you can use the national brand, doesn't matter. Get you a can of cream of mushroom. To that, we're gonna do 1 package of onion soup mix. Again, you can make your own, you can do the national brand, you can do the store brand. This was so special on Christmas Eve, and Mama didn't use a crock pot. She would use an electric skillet. Did y'all used to have an electric skillet on the counter for your fried chicken, your pork chops, your special steaks? Boy, she did. And then, this was her go-to, swear by everything, the kitchen bouquet. Do y'all still use this? I don't use it often, but when I do, I see her face. I see Mammal Meadows. And she would put 2 teaspoons. It does have flavoring, and it certainly has color, and it makes it dark. Changes the color, for sure. And she would put a little, about a half a stick of butter on top. And put the lid on, and she'd come by, and she'd stir it every little bit, and check on it. And sometimes, if she had it available, she'd put a little cooking sherry in it. And she'd say, don't tell anybody. I went in that store where they sell this. She was so cute. So cute. I miss her. And we're going to put a lid on it. We're going to let it cook on low for between 4 and 6 hours until it's fork tender. And this is going to be delicious with some mashed potatoes after a while. I have to tell you, checking on this crock pot, smelling the smell of the kitchen bouquet, the onions, the cream of mushroom soup, even the flour, frying the bacon grease where I browned them, that takes me back to my Mammal Meadows. I would help her on Christmas Eve day, and we would also make Cherry Delight, and she let me peel the potatoes to make mashed potatoes, and she would make a 7-layer salad, and she had a glass trifle bowl that she made it in. I see now none of these were hard recipes, they're not, but I knew that's what it would be every Christmas. I knew she would let me help her, and it's just the magic of food. Don't you think food is magical? It can momentarily transport you back just in a moment to another place and time with people that you love. And gosh, I'm glad we have this with our senses, aren't you? It's pretty cool. Let's check this Swiss steak. There it is.
Yum.
Beautiful Swiss steak. We'll put some with mashed potatoes and we'll take a bite. I just got back from a wedding. I had my Mammal's Christmas Eve steak in the crock pot. We gotta try this. It looks beautiful. The smells of this, everything about this takes me right back to Grandma's kitchen. Hear my kids bickering. It's what they do. I'm walking down memory lane. They're not. Make this. It's so delicious.